Hi there, fellow greasy people. I'm in my garage. I've had a failure to launch on a trip, and I'm making a video. I need some place to put a handful of tools. I have teased this idea before and had not moved forward with it, but I think now's the time. So I have a couple of these, a couple ammo cans. Which way do you think I should run my lid? I think open towards the back or opening towards the front. I'm leaning towards the back. So if I'm seated here, it really doesn't matter. I don't want these flipping into my leg, so that's the way we're going. I'm going to mount it about flush here. And yeah, I'll do some figuring on that. All right, so I've laid out 2 mounting holes to match there. I'm going to take my little center punch and then drill a couple holes, and then we should be able to mount this. A little bit of grinder action and we're in business. Oh. Well, there went a drill. Ah, magnet works. There's one. Oh. Now, I may go see if I can find some rubber washers at the hardware store. I may also need some paint. Thinking that this will be relatively waterproof-ish with a little bit of some washer. Now this is not meant to hold a crazy amount of weight. It has a little flex. That's not the intent for these. Not gonna lie, after a coat of rattle can, I'll have to go watch Rev Render do that so it looks decent. Or I might just send it. Are you seeing my idea? Whoops. You seeing my thoughts there? Get the sticker off. I could leave it green, but put a little Loctite on my bolts. There's proof of concept there. I think this will work. See, looky there. Quart of spare oil, a handful of tools that should get me by. Will it rattle like crazy? Yes. I will probably put a little something squishy in the bottom, piece of cardboard, leftover foam, I don't know. But that should hold some small light things and get me where I'm going. So hey, thanks for joining me. Appreciate it if you stuck around. My Harbor Freight ammo can saddlebags. I'll got to do some scraping on the stickers and a little painting. Nobody needs to see that. I'll bring you in for a final shot right after this. We're back. I got to get a couple bolts hung in here so I can slide the first bag on. I'm going to double up 2 rubber washers on this side to give it a little bit of space here. And hopefully, there it goes. Like I said, I'm going to double these up, so hopefully it will give a little vibration dampening and I don't have to hear it ting on that. The reveal. What do you think? I painted a mini bike like that one time, and it turned out pretty all right. Don't you fall out. All right, tighten those up and get my, there we go. Tighten those up. This is gonna be terrible. And I got a lock nut to go on top of it, so it shouldn't go anywhere. Do that to the other side, and I will back us up and give you a look-see. All right, so here is finished-ish prototype. I tried to sort of match the yellow. It's not perfect. There's some vibration there. I might have to work through that. We'll see. Might have to put a metal strip to stiffen up the box. Something. But we're going to try them out. And we're going to see how they do. I'm not embarrassed of them. I think they look okay. Get you in right here. Maybe a wide view. I think they're all right. Here we are. I have a little extra storage. Are these meant to hold 50 pounds and take off sweet jumps in the woods? No. It's meant to hold a small tool roll, maybe a couple water bottles or something. That's about it. That's what I was shooting for. Or if I'm on a trip, I put socks in there. Maybe toiletries. Who knows? But we'll try them out, and if I need to make improvements and tweaks, that's what I'll do. But I used what I had. I had these boxes laying around. I had some hardware laying around. I did have to go get some lock nuts and some rubber washers. Hopefully that'll help seal things up and not be hard bolted on. See how it goes. I might have to add a fender washer on one side or the other, but I think we're okay. If you watch this far, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Tell me what you think. And did anybody notice the mistake for bonus points? Leave a comment below if you like it. Appreciate a thumbs up. Appreciate anybody who subscribes. And if you like this kind of thing, this is what I do. I try to make stuff happen. So, till next time, we'll catch you later.